When it comes to remodeling kitchens and baths, a lot of times my clients are not really sure about how much things cost. And there's a wide range of how much things actually cost, depending on the finishes that you choose for your kitchen or your bathroom. For example, countertops, there are so many choices when it comes to countertops. You could spend anywhere between $30 to $200 a foot, just depending on the material. So it really depends on the finishes that you choose. And, if, for example, you're doing any sort of modifications, if you're ripping out your old kitchen and starting from scratch, obviously there's a huge cost associated with that. So what I like to do is, schedule a consultation with my client to discuss, all of the things that are important to them when it comes to redesigning that kitchen, and then make sure we address all of them and come up with a realistic budget so that they know exactly what to expect and how much they could potentially spend based on those selections. Click the link below to schedule your consultation.